let's look at how powerful uh, that those banks of prior knowledge really are. I want to show you 7 groups of letters, just regular old letters, 7 groups. It turns out there are 20 letters in them. I've never actually counted. I take that on faith that there are 20 letters there, but I'm going to give you 10 seconds to memorize those 7 groups. See how many you can memorize in 10 seconds. Ready? Go. How'd you do? When I've tested people, the average is getting just under 10 of the letters correct. That is, say, about half the groups. However, all I have to do is change the order, change the spacing between the letters, not the letters, not the order of the letters, to invoke your banks of prior knowledge. The reason it's difficult now is because those groups have no relationship to anything. You just had to flat memorize them. You couldn't use your existing banks of prior knowledge to benefit from them. But if I just change the spacing between them, all of a sudden, they're easy to remember. Why? Because for most people, for many people, these groups of letters relate to their banks of prior knowledge. So I've created context for them that makes it easy.